What does he do?
Exactly.
Just doing what he does as a teacher,
Yeah.
put it online. You are a fashion person, you are a tech person, you are repairing phones. Like, you don't have to. I keep on telling people, because for most people, right, when you think of content, they think of skits.
Okay.
Because skit makers are like the people on the forefront.
Exactly.
So you are the people that you hear in the blog that they broadcast. The people that you see in the blog, oh, this skit maker just built a house. So it seems that content creation limits those skits. But content creation is way bigger than skit. Skit is just a minute part of content creation. Basically, anything you're doing can be converted into content. Is it food? Are you into tailoring? Now, tech content is almost everywhere. Like, you're not seeing tech guys into content. You can be doing what they call trading. You know, all this forex trading, and you know that my content is just stationed on trading, lifestyle, whatever. So whatever you're doing can be converted into content. So I tell people, know what you are doing first. Find what you love. Know what you can do, because now the journey of being a creator, whether on any platform, whether on YouTube or Facebook, wherever, is not easy. I tell people, first, know your why. Because if you're on this journey and you've never wanted to give up, you never start. I don't know about you. Have you not wanted?
I don't even give up several
like
times.
Several times, even as I am now, that I can consider myself big to a extent, in quotes. At times you don't want, because you don't want to be going like this.
Exactly.
Like I was even telling my neighbors today, like, I remember when I Am Doing Bad was 100,000 views.